just heading over to Aldbourne now. It's a village in Wiltshire that has featured on the channel a couple of times. And I'm on my way to collect my second stamp in my Bike Brew passport. And there's a cafe that my wife and myself go to most weekends actually, called Time at the Old Forge. But I've not actually been there on the bike before. And whilst I can, of course, collect the stamp quite legitimately in my passport, even if I go there in the car, it doesn't quite feel the same, does it? So in the spirit of Bike and Brew, I'm heading over on the bike to get them to stamp the passport. We're just coming into Aldbourne now. See if I can park just outside the cafe. There you are, next to that one, I'll be absolutely fine. But this big monstrosity isn't always here. It usually gets deployed in the winter to help the village cope with drainage. I think it's something along those lines, some big pump in there. Slightly spoils the look, but it is temporary. And there's the forge, Time at the Forge. Well, that was a nice little pit stop at the old forge there. Several other bikers turned up, a couple there before we got there, a few more turned up while we were there. So it shows the Bike and Brew thing is working. Some lovely little villages around here. I think we have strayed over the border into Hampshire, but it really is a beautiful part of the world. Not the best biking roads, a little bit narrow, a little bit gravelly, but worth it for all this lovely countryside. It's a feast for the eyes, if not for the wheels. Got to put up with the shitty old road surfaces though, as always. To be honest though, some of the bloody A roads are worse than this. Look at that backdrop there, that beautiful hillside. Stunning. Well, I deliberately plotted a route slightly off the beaten track, and I certainly achieved that, but it's a bit slow going. Still isn't all about speed, is it? When you got that to look at on either side of you, it's worth just changing the pace a little bit, taking your time. Quite a sheer drop off to the right there. Need to keep my eyes on the road, so I can't really crane my neck around. Lincoln Holt. Never heard of it. Well, I can honestly say that I've not ridden on any of these little roads on this particular little trip before. Not surprising, because they are, as I say, off the beaten track a little bit. So hopefully sometime soon it's going to drop us out onto a slightly bigger road. This is lovely and very scenic, but after a while you do start to crave the open road a little bit. Also getting pretty low on fuel. And I sure ain't going to find any petrol stations out here. Back in Wiltshire, look. And back into Hampshire again. So I believe we're riding through Chute Forest now. Oh, got a pigeon. which was an ancient royal hunting ground. Nice to be able to get a little bit of speed up here. Get some petrol now, I think.